Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Chat4Data. In order to do so, here we are at Chat4Data.ai, and what is Chat4Data all about? Well, extract structured data from any website just by chatting with AI, no coding required. There is a Chat4Data extension for Chrome. If you're using Chrome, you can add that there. Let's just scroll down here a bit. Rich web data, simple process. Talk data into your spreadsheets. Any web data is just a chat away. No time for long prompts. Get data 10 times faster with presets. Every page, every scroll, AI crawls websites for all pages. Leave no data behind. All data types, one tool. No more wrestling with complex data. Chat4Data instantly captures images, links, emails, phone numbers, and even hidden elements from any web page. Are you ready to supercharge your scraping with conversational AI? Let's talk. And you can come here and click there to get in touch. Let's go ahead and check out the pricing. So we do have a free version to get you started, and then from there you're scaling up to the pro version, $7 per month, regular $10, and then we have the max at $24 a month, regular $35. So if you're interested in Chat4Data, head over to Chat4Data.ai in order to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations and promotions, including Sintra. It's a fantastic business strategy tool, and it gets to know you and your business so that it can offer tailored insights for your success. Also, we have Cider. It's a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of multiple AI chatbots so that you can get the answers you're looking for. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you're for your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.